floor shaking when I land. Got the blueprint in the pocket, world sitting in my hand. I don't talk about the movement, I just move it like a ghost. Toasting to the victories, I always do the most. They been trying to find the angle, trying to find the perfect shot, but I'm moving matrix style, dodging everything they got. Top floor views, looking down on the ends. Started with a vision, now I'm doing victory dance. Scope is calibrated and the focus is intense. Making millions off of logic, yeah, it strictly makes sense. I'm the operator, smooth operator, no side, ayy. Turning darkest nights into the brightest sunny day, ayy. Click, clack, reset, never break a sweat. Betting on myself is still the safest kind of bet. Zooming on the target like it never let it go. Running up the numbers like a Chico, watch them grow.
First person view, yeah, I'm looking through the lens. Only see the enemies, I never see the friends.
Pop, pop, pop.
Watch them drop like a bad habit. First person shoot, yeah, we clearing out the trends.
Okay, I'm walking on the ceiling, feeling like an alien. Marching with the carpet, pardon me, I'm invading them. Got the Chicos active, infinite ammo in the clip. Sipping on the potion, got the magic in the sip. I'm an irregular predator, better than the rest of you. Eating beef for breakfast, check the pressure and the temperature. Hotter than the sauna in the middle of July. I'm the eagle soaring past the pigeons in the sky, aim steady. Brain heavy, liquor more machete. Slice it like a fatty, is you ready? First person point of view, looking at the loot. Pull up in a space shield to the hater, this is school, I'm a problem. Mathematics couldn't solve them, revolving door money, why the problem just dissolve them. Like a glitch in the system, I'm twitching and I'm glitching. Cooking in the kitchen, why the wrist to do the switching. Headshot precise, rolling loaded dice. If you want the crown, better pay the heavy price. Pay up.
Switch to a soulful. Boom, bap, trap, fusion.
Yeah. Breathe. Let's go. See the world through my eyes, it's a different definition. Ambition is the ammunition, feeling of the mission. No competition, just a mirror reflection. Striving for perfection in every single section. I enter the game with a flame and a hunger that rumming the deep in the belly. I'm painting a picture, vivid and visceral, like scenes out of belly. No Machiavelli, Jimmy independent, the deadly intentions, transcending dimensions. I'm needing no mention, I come in attention. First person shooter, I'm looting the knowledge and booting the system. The wisdom is hidden inside of the rhythm. I give them the prism, refracting the light. I'm attacking the mic like a tie in a wake. No room for the fake. I expose all the snakes in the grass with a rake. I calculate moves like a grandmaster playing the game of the chess, relieving the stress while I bench press the weight of the world on my chest. I'm blessed, obsessed with the climb. I invest in the rhyme, ahead of my time. Turning nickels to dimes, committing the crime. I'm still in the show, let them know that the flow is volcanic. Don't panic, it's organic, mechanic. I managed to damage the static. Automatic focus, hope it keep you. I be kissing fair, reappear at the summit, looking and the view is clear.
Pop, pop, watch them drop like a bad habit. First person view, yeah, I'm looking through the lens. Only see the enemies, I never see the friends. Pop, 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 watch them drop like a bad habit. First person shoot, yeah, we clearing out the trenches.
First person. Straight view. Stop.
Yeah, the whoa. First person view, yeah, I'm looking through the lens. Only see the enemies, I never see the friends. Pop, pop, watch them drop like a bad habit. Pop, pop, watch them drop like a bad habit. Look, big steppers in the building, flow shaking when I land. Got the blueprint in the pocket, world sitting in my hand. I don't talk about the movement, I just move it like a ghost. Toasting to the victories, I always do the most. Yeah, they been trying to find an angle, trying to find a perfect shot, but I'm moving matrix style, dodging everything they got. Top flow views, looking down on the ants. Started with a vision, now I'm doing victory dances. Scope is calibrated and the focus is intense. Making millions off of logic, yeah, it strictly makes sense. On the operator, smooth operator, no side, ayy. Turning darkest nights into the brightest sunny day. Ayy, click, clack, reset, never break a sweat. Betting on myself is still the safest kind of bet. Zooming on the target like you never let it go. Running up the numbers like a Chico, watch them grow. First person view, yeah, I'm looking through the lens. Only see the enemies, I never see the friends. Pop, pop, watch them drop like a bad habit. Pop, pop, watch them drop like a bad habit. Okay, I'm walking on the ceiling, feeling like an alien. Marching with the carbon part of me, I'm invading them. Got the cheat codes active, infinite ammo in the clip. Sipping on the potion, got the magic in the sip. I'm an irregular predator, better than the rest of you. Eating beef for breakfast, check the pressure in the temperature. Hotter than the sauna in the middle of July. I'm the eagle soaring past the pigeons in the sky. Aim steady, brain heavy, lyrical machete. Slice it like confetti, is you ready? First person point of view, looking at the loot. Pull up in the space into the hate, it's a scoop. I'm a problem. Mathematics couldn't solve them. Revolving door money, watch the problem just dissolve them. Like a glitch in the system, I'm twitching and I'm glitching. Cooking in the kitchen, watch the wrist do the switching. Headshot precise. Rolling loaded dice. If you want a crown, better pay the heavy price. Pay up. Right. See the world through my eyes, it's a different definition. Ambition is the ammunition, fueling up the mission. No competition, just a mirror reflection. Striving for perfection in every single section. I enter the game with a flame and a hunger that rumbling deep in the belly. I'm painting a picture, vivid and visceral, like scenes out of belly. No Machiavelli to me, independent of deadly intention. Transcending dimensions, I'm needing no mention, I come in attention. First person shooter, I'm looting the knowledge and booting the system. The wisdom is hidden inside of the rhythm. I give them the prism, refracting the light. I'm attacking the mic like a titan awake. No room for the fake, I expose all the snakes in the grass with a rake. I calculate moves like a grandmaster playing the game of the chess. Relieving the stress while I bench press the weight of the word on my chest. I'm blessed, obsessed with the climb. I invest in the rhyme, ahead of my time. Turning nickels to dimes, committing the crime. And still in the show, let them know that the flow is volcanic. Don't panic, it's organic, mechanic. I manage the damage, the static. Rhythmatic focus, hocus pocus, watch me disappear. Repair at the summit, looking down, the view is clear. Yeah. First person view, yeah, I'm looking through the lens. Only see the enemies, I never see the friends. Pop, pop, watch them drop like a bad habit. Pop, pop, watch them drop like a bad habit. First person view, yeah, I'm looking through the lens. Only see the enemies, I never see the friends. Pop, pop, watch them drop like a bad habit. Pop, pop, watch them drop like a bad habit.